Okay. And if she's not able to redact that, then as an officer of the court, if she sends it unredacted, you won't share.
Correct.
So, Leticia, if you do, go ahead and send it to his attorney. She's confirming to the court now that she will not share with anyone your contact information per our non-disclosure agreement right now. Is that okay with you?
So I can redact it. So before I pass it on to Brendan, I can redact that information.
Is that okay with you, Leticia? She can redact
it. Can I still send it without my stuff on there too? Can I still block it out?
Were you
even if she redacts it? Yeah, I'm doing it right now. I'm going to send it to her right now as well.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Good.
All right. Got it.
We're back on the record. I've announced the case. This is Gray County cause number 40606 in the interest of Octavia Ray Neidhart. Present in person. Well, first of all, what is the state? Ms. Poyster representing the AG's office.
The state's ready to proceed on temporary orders today with an agreement of the parties.
All right. Present by audio and video is Leticia Lucero. Ms. Lucero, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Also present today by audio and video is Brendan Neidhart, and he's represented by his attorney, Michelle Lemkool. Are you ready, Ms. Lemkool?
Yes, Your Honor. And by doing so, I want to make sure that we are not waiving our motion to transfer that was just served on Ms. Lucero today.
All right. All right. So the motion to transfer remains pending. All right. Ms. DePoyster, would you announce the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. Having had an opportunity to visit with both parties and with Mr. Neidhart, represented by his attorney, all parties have agreed today for temporary orders. Under the temporary orders, the parents will be named as joint managing conservators. The mother will be named as the primary residence, and there will be a geographic restriction where both parties will remain in their current location and will not be moving around until the final hearing.
As indicated by county?
Their current residence is our agreement, Judge.
All right.
But where is it?
And the parties have agreed that right now, because the child is in Head Start, and so they will do visitation. That will be that Mr. Neidhart will have the child all 3 weekends between now and the final. And we're requesting the final to be set for that September 15th date, Judge. That'll be Judge Fowler handling that.
Oh,
at 1:30. And so
setting that date with him.
I will send the judge that Zoom notice for him to sign.
Get it on his docket. Very well.
He's confirmed that date with us.
I understand.
Okay. And so there'll be 3 weekends between now and that final date. And so Mr. Neidhart will have the child all 3 weekends, starting at 6 o'clock on Friday and returning the child or exchanging the child again at 6 o'clock on Sunday. The parents will meet halfway or roughly halfway at Abilene at the Walmart at 4350 Southwest Drive in Abilene to exchange the child. The one weekend will be the holiday weekend, which will have that extra Monday. So the exchange will be Monday on that day. That's the visitation at this time. There's nothing further said past that at this time until that temporary date.
I have a question. What times are we meeting up in Abilene?
At 6 o'clock.
At night?
Yes, 6 p.m.
Okay.
Now, the parents are going to use the app Close app. So the order will say 6 p.m. Now, Leticia, Brendan's mentioned that, he could do something earlier if you can as well. Then I would suggest that you guys use the app Close app. Michelle, is that okay? They can.
Yeah, I thought they were going to do that. So yes.
Well, as far as if they want to do an earlier time.
They want different. That's perfect.
And the app close app, Your Honor, would be required by both parties. There's an agreement for non-disclosure for Ms. Lucero's information for this temporary order. And that was agreed to as a trade-off too, that she would provide her email and accept service. And she has just done that, Your Honor, and provided notification back to, oh, there we go. We lost her, Judge.
All right.